Lesson 9. Computer Languages. Computer language is used to interact with a computer. It is a language in which a user can write computer programs. A computer program is a set of instructions which are written in some language by the programmer and feed into the computer, and the computer works accordingly. Kinds of computer languages. First, machine language. Second, assembly language. Third, high-level language. All these languages are explained below. First, machine language. A machine language is called binary language, which is in the form of zeros and ones. It is a computer understandable language. It is also called low-level language. Second, assembly language. Assembly language is a symbolic language where computer programs consist of symbols or mnemonic codes. But the computer is unable to understand this language, hence it is required to convert this language into the machine language so that the computer can understand this program. For this, an assembler is required, which is used for the conversion of assembly program into machine language. For example, Ada is an assembly language. Third, high-level language. High-level language is a language which is commonly used by the user in writing programs. It is an English-like language which is easily understandable by the user. Since this language is not understood by the computer, it needs a converter which can convert this language into a computer understandable language. For this purpose, we use interpreter, compiler, which translates the high-level language into machine language. For example, C, C++, COBOL, BASIC, Logo, etc. are high-level languages. Difference between compiler and interpreter. Compiler. First, a compiler compiles or translates whole program at once and shows the errors, if any, in the form of message. Interpreter. First, an interpreter translates one line at a time. Compiler. Second, a compiler program is considerably larger than the original one. Interpreter. Second, an interpreter program is smaller than the compiled one. Compiler. Third, it takes less time to execute. Interpreter. Third, it takes much time to execute. Some commonly used high-level languages are given below. First, C. C is a structured programming language. Second, C++. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. Third, Logo. Logo is another programming language which stands for Logic-Oriented, Graphic-Oriented Programming Language. Fourth, COBOL. COBOL stands for Common Business-Oriented Language. Fifth, BASIC. BASIC is another language which stands for Beginners, All-Purpose, Symbolic, Instruction, Code. Sixth, Fortran. Fortran is another language which stands for Formula Translation. Points for review. A computer can be termed as a language. Programs can be written in any language. A computer has three different languages: machine language, assembly language, and high-level language. Machine language is binary language which is understandable by computer. Assembly language is a symbolic language which computer is unable to understand. High-level language is used for writing programs. Computer does not understand this language. This language needs a converter.